These are the high-rise tower elevators here at the Carolinian Beach Resort here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We got some ThyssenKrupp elevators to ride. These are custom impulse. Let's go to 21. Here we go. Oh, that's unfortunate. You're about 21. One. You going down?
No.
Oh. Stand in the back. Let's get a cab view now. Basic cab. You can see me in the reflection. Indicator. Custom impulse buttons. 3,500 pound capacity. It's unfortunate that they cover up the glass now. I don't know why they would cover up the glass. That would be a great view, honestly. Alright, here at 1. We'll try to get another over if we can. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll just go away with it. I don't think
There's one here that does not sound good. Or if we can get this elevator. This one's coming down now. Here's this one. Right on the side. Which floor you like? 4. You guys can come on in if you like. Which floor do you guys like?
17.
17? Alrighty. Stopping. Oh. Forgot he wants 4.
Hey, what is that for?
Oh, I take videos of elevators. I'm an elevator enthusiast. I like to film elevators as a hobby.
Oh. I thought you was looking for like something paranormal.
I was really here to look for the fitness center. I just don't know where it is. All right, you two have a great day. Okay.
Thank you, man.
Yep. Yeah, they didn't cover up the glass. We would have gotten a good view. Oh. They're kind of slow for ThyssenKrupp, to be honest here. I wonder if we can get out here and get a view. Let's see if we can. I think we can. We can get a view out here. You get a view of the beach. You do get a nice view out here, actually. You can come outside. See it right there? That's a view of the ocean right there. You can get view below the roof. All right, let's go back down now. Looks like the chimes were replaced. These are custom impulse. Still got the original fixtures and stuff. Some of it was replaced, including this call button on the outside. Pretty much, I believe all the call buttons on the outside were replaced. Looks like a ThyssenKrupp VR button, I think. Or this could be innovation. I have no idea what that button is, but I think that's innovation. Which one we got? Oh, we got this one this time. Oh no. This one has more of a ThyssenKrupp chime. And it has a loose panel. Lovely. This is like the death trap out, I think. Let's see. All right, here I want. I think we're gonna end the video for now. Actually, right, pretty smooth actually. Hold on one second. There it goes. There's the security right there. That's it.